Welcome children. Today I am going to teach you about digestive system. Children, we are taking the food. Food is one of the basic requirement for all living organisms. The major components of our foods are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. The process of taking in and synthesis of various types of foods by organism is called nutrition. Children, you have studied there are two types of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. In the autotrophic nutrition, green plants having chlorophyll, they trap radiant energy of sun from carbon dioxide and water. They are synthesizing organic molecule like sugar. But in the heterotrophic nutrition, organisms are not able to trap solar energy. They are not able to synthesize organic food. They directly or indirectly depend on autotrophs. So heterotrophic nutritions are two types: holozoic and saprozoic. Holozoic nutrition, in this solid organic food material is taken by the animals. So taking in solid organic food material is called ingestion. After that there is digestion. During the process of digestion, the complex organic food substances going to split into smaller molecules, and that smaller molecules can be absorbed through the inner lining of the gastrointestinal tract. So this process of splitting of complex insoluble food molecules into smaller molecules so that it can be absorbed through inner lining of intestine, gastrointestinal tract is called digestion. In the animals, there is a well developed organ system is found. That well developed organ system which help in digestion of the food is called digestive system. The digestive system consists of two parts. One is digestive tract or alimentary canal, and other is digestive glands. So alimentary canal of human beings is given here. In this figure has given the alimentary canal of the human beings. So in that, this portion is called, there is mouth, after that mouth cavity, then pharynx, esophagus, this is stomach, then this is the small intestine, but the C-shaped small intestine is called duodenum, then there is jejunum, and after that ileum, then large intestine will start. In the large intestine is cecum, colon, this portion is colon, and now this is rectum, and exterior opening of it is the anus. So this has given the figure of alimentary canal of human beings. Alimentary canal of the human beings has many parts. So children, you have to know here, you have to keep in mind, digestive system of human being consists of alimentary canal and associated glands. Associated glands means the glands which help in the digestion of food. See, the glands which help in digestion of food are, some glands are present in the mouth, that is salivary glands. Some glands are present in the stomach, so that is gastric gland. Other is liver, pancreas, and glands which are present in the intestine, that is interstitial gland or intestinal glands. Though these are the glands which help in the digestion of food. So children, you have to keep in mind, digestive system of human being consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal consists of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Small intestine has three parts: duodenum, jejunum, ileum. And large intestine also has three parts. Three parts of the large intestine are cecum, this portion is the cecum, colon, and rectum. So these are the parts, this portion is rectum. So these are the parts of large intestine, and this portion is duodenum. See, this is the duodenum. Again there is jejunum, then ileum. These are the small intestine. And cecum, colon, and rectum is the large intestine. And external opening of it is the anus. So these I told the parts of alimentary canal. The glands which are associated with these are, first one is salivary gland. There are three pairs of salivary glands. These salivary glands are present in the mouth. First one is the parotid gland. Second is submaxillary gland. And third one is sublingual gland. So these are the three glands, three pairs of salivary glands in the mouth cavity: parotid gland, submaxillary gland, and the sublingual gland. The secretion of these glands is saliva. Saliva consists of 99.5% water. After that, two enzymes are present in the saliva. One is amylase, that is also called salivary amylase, and second is lysozyme. Amylase digest or break starch into maltose, and lysozyme that will destroy bacteria. So it is help in the destroying the bacteria which has come in the mouth. Second gland is the gastric gland. This gastric gland is present in the stomach. In the stomach, gastric gland is present. Gastric glands are three types: fundic, pyloric, and cardiac. Fundic gland is oxynitic gland. It secretes hydrochloric acid, pepsinogen, and soluble mucin. Second part is the pyloric. Pyloric gland is present in the pyloric area of stomach. It secretes mucin, and gastrin hormone is also secreted by it. Next is the cardiac gland. So cardiac gland secrete mucin and pepsinogen. Gastric glands contain pepsinogen and hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid destroy the germs, activate the pepsinogen enzyme into pepsin, and dissolve the food. Next gland is the liver. So this is the liver. Liver is the largest gland in the body. This liver is the largest gland, and liver secretion is bile. Bile is stored in the bladder, that is called gallbladder. There is gallbladder. And from this bladder, secretion of liver is coming through bile duct into the duodenum. Next is pancreas. So pancreas gland is present here. The secretion of pancreas is pancreatic juice. It contains enzymes trypsin, strepsin, and amylopsin. Now last is intestinal gland. Intestinal glands are present in the mucosa of small intestine. There are two types of intestinal gland. One is crypts of Leverkuhn and other is Brunner glands. The secretion of intestinal gland is intestinal juice. So children, I told about the digestive system of human beings. Digestive system of human being consists of two parts. One is alimentary canal, other is digestive glands. Alimentary canals: mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, jejunum, ileum, cecum, colon, rectum, and anus. Glands are salivary gland, gastric gland, liver, pancreas, and intestinal glands. Children, you have to learn it, and you like and share the video, subscribe it.